Good morning, guys. Natalie Martinez. Today's activity is going to be slides. The girls wanted to go ahead and make their own slides. So we are using old cardboard coffee box. And I had to pull the cardboard apart to get corrugated cardboard. Sorry, mine went blank. So anyway, yeah, it's kind of difficult, takes a lot of time, but they wanted to go ahead and try this activity, so we went ahead and I did it. So anyways, the items that you guys are gonna need here, old cardboard, and make sure when making these, you cut out 3 pieces of cardboard per foot. So on your right foot, you're gonna cut 3 pieces of cardboard out. On your left foot, you're gonna cut 3 pieces of cardboard out. And then you guys are gonna use some staples and some glue. So we will get on with the video. Thanks, bye-bye.